new topic, that is microscope. If I split this word microscope, micro plus scope, it gives a meaning, that is micro means any tiny object which is not visible by a naked eyes, okay, and scope means an instrument for observing objects. So when I join these two words, it gives microscope, and which gives a definition, that is microscope is an instrument which is used for observing tiny objects that are not visible by our naked eyes, is known as microscope. Scientists those use microscope for viewing their objects or the area of objects. That technical field is known as microscopy, okay. And as we all know, there are variety of microorganisms in our planet. So some are extremely large and some are extremely small. Like for the large organisms like dolphins, blue whale, elephants, etc. And for extremely small objects like amoeba, paramecium, bacteria, etc. So these tiny objects is known as microorganisms, and the study of microorganisms is called microbiology. As you can see in this picture, the compound microscope consists of different parts. They are eyepiece. Through eyepiece, the object is viewed. And coarse adjustment. Coarse adjustment is for adjusting the stage where the slide is placed. Objective lens. Objective lens gives high magnifying image with the help of different types of lenses. They are 10x, 40x, 100x. Fine adjustment. Fine adjustment helps in finding the image. And the next is stage and mirror. Stage is where the microscopic slide is placed. And now the question arises that what is the work of mirror in the compound microscope? So the mirror generally focuses the light directly into the sample. Okay. Now additionally there are microscopic slides and cover slips. So microscopic slides is made up of glass and cover slip is also made up of glass. But the difference between them is that microscopic slides holds the sample and cover slips cover the sample and also prevent it from damaging. Now, how to use the microscope? So, steps to use microscope. So the first step is clean the mirror with the help of a soft cloth. First step is clean the mirror with soft cloth. second step is place the slide onto the stage, and which this slide is having a sample on it, which is covered with a cover slip. Place the slide. Okay. Then the third step is adjust the objective lens and the eyepiece lens so that the image is visible to you properly. Adjust the eyepiece lens and objective lens. Okay. And the third one is, if the image is not clear to you, then adjust it by fine adjustment knob. If the image is not clear, then adjust it with fine adjustment knob. Now the last one is view the object with the help of eyepiece lens. View the object through eyepiece lens.